Going back to work and have breastfeeding concerns? You're not alone. As a working mother, balancing the demands of a career while providing for your baby's needs can feel overwhelming. The benefits of breastfeeding are undeniable, and with the right strategies and support, it can be done successfully. Some of the biggest challenges working mothers face when it comes to breastfeeding include lack of time, privacy, and dealing with engorgement. Between meetings, deadlines, and a never-ending to-do list, finding a moment to express milk can be tough. Even locating a quiet, comfortable spot to pump can be a real challenge. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate breastfeeding as a working mother. The first is to start pumping and storing milk early. Begin pumping and storing milk about a month before returning to work. This helps build up a supply and gives you and your baby time to adjust to bottle feeding. Plus, it reduces stress when you're back at work. Next, pumping at work can be a lifesaver. It allows you to express milk during the day, store it for your baby's next feeding, relieve engorgement, and prevent nipple soreness. Another tip is to scout your workplace. Before returning to work, visit your workplace to identify a quiet and private place to pump. Also, find out where you can store your milk and wash your pumping equipment. This preparation can make your transition smoother. As you want to make the most of being at work, investing in a high-quality, hands-free electric pump can make pumping at work much easier. Hands-free models allow you to continue working while pumping, saving you time and effort. Also, create a breastfeeding schedule. Set reminders on your phone to express milk or nurse at specific times of the day. A schedule helps you stay on track and ensures your baby gets the milk they need, even when you're not physically with them. When it comes to breastfeeding, consistency is key. Establish a routine that works for you and your baby and stick to it as much as possible. This can help regulate your milk supply and make feeding easier for both of you. Breastfeed your baby before going to work and after getting back, as this can profoundly improve your mental health, maintain bonding, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote feelings of calm and relaxation. Lastly, to our top tip, be kind to yourself. Returning to work is stressful, and it may affect your milk supply. Don't be too hard on yourself. Your supply might reduce temporarily, but it will increase again. That's why starting to pump and store milk early is so important. Breastfeeding is a journey, and it's okay to take it one day at a time. Remember, every feeding session is a success, no matter how small it may seem. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you're a working mother who struggled with breastfeeding, please share your tips and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos on parenting and breastfeeding.